A life in the trees. I have grown up in the thick leaves of the northern trees. I live in the dense forest at the base of the Appalachian Mountains in Pennsylvania. When my parents moved away, I stayed in the area and got a wonderful job as a riding instructor at a local stable. My parents moved only an hour away to Amish country, and not only is it nice seeing them when I visit, but it's also nice to see the Amish buggies and to stop by their stores of handcrafted goods. I can't imagine a better place for me than where I am now, in a place with family and trees close by and many things to do, without even dishing out that much money. I often go out hiking on the game trails, which were pressed down by so many other animals before me. I see much wildlife on my hikes into the forest near my home. There will usually be a pair of rabbits hopping across the trail in front of me, or deer looking curiously at me as I pass them. And if I am lucky, a great bald eagle will soar over the tops of the trees I hike through. Sometimes I even get to take a horse from the stables to the woods, and we will canter through the fields, scaring off all manner of creatures as we speed through. At the nearby college campus, there are skating rinks I visit once a week with the other regulars, and if I'm feeling productive, I will head to Snap Fitness. At least once every other week, I visit the library in town to get the newest book on tape or to rent out a classic movie. Near the library, there's shops to grab an eclectic necklace at and cafes to grab a mocha at. There is also seasonal parades to watch and visit with people, and weekly farmers markets with fresh food. If I'm up for a drive, my friends and I will go to a huge laser tag facility or go to Longwood Gardens to stroll through the flowers or to catch an outside indies concert. Every now and then, I get to visit the Native American reservation and see some of the Native American people I've become closely acquainted with through volunteering to help out at their events. I love being able to walk into a cozy joint and greet multiple families I know while eating great food and listening to live bands. I have become quite accustomed to the slow pace of life, when the only traffic noises outside my house are deer passing through and munching on the flowers in my garden, and migratory birds coming to rest on my bird feeder.